Hello guys, greetings. This is Challange cordless grass trimmer. This is the box. This is the menu, the charger, the adapter. So if you want to charge the battery, you connect it here and plug it and charge it. So it came with rechargeable battery. To take off the battery, you pull it there. This is the battery. Okay. To put the battery back on, press it from there and push it down. Push the battery. You hear click, so it's back on, and you can actually turn this to adjust the length and tighten it back up. Okay. Now this is the main bit. Put this handle up. Okay. Now the next thing to do is we need to put this cover, okay, on this screw. We need to screw it, tight it. It came in with two screws, one to the left, one to the right. You need a screwdriver to do this. So tight it, tight it,